Well, I really appreciate that, sir. The EMT saw him and they released him, and they saw him, but we're going to probably take him to the hospital and get him checked out. It's a miracle that he's walking out of it. Yes, we are. Thank you for stopping, sir.
Cooper got in a really bad accident, and God spared his life. It's his car, and he flipped. He was on the other whole side of the highway, and he came across all the way this way and flipped over here, and there was no other cars involved. Just this car got vandalized the other night, and the back glass just got replaced on Monday, and so that's gone. The whole car's, total probably, but thank God, we just don't even care. We thank God for Cooper's life, that it was spared, and we're gonna probably take him to get assessed of his head and his neck and his shoulders and stuff. He has pretty bad bruising with the seatbelt cut into him. But once again, we just thank God for his awesome power and the angel that Cooper has that protected him. And anyway, this is the site of the accident once again, where it happened. He hit a pothole, he was on cruise control, and he just flipped the car, and he was by himself, and he flipped all the way over here, all the way. It's just a miracle. It is just a miracle.